So part 2, currently in the program, the value of the variable height is hard coded to 180. So we can see over here that there's an integer value of 180 is stored in the variable height, and this is what we mean by it's hard coded. It's set to it, and it's not going to change. But what we want to do is we want to modify the program so that it prompts the user to enter a value for height, and the value that's entered should be converted to an integer. And I wonder why it kind of says this, so I'm just going to copy this line and I'll put it down here and comment it out, and I'm going to put another one up here. We can get rid of this line here I've highlighted in just a moment, but basically it says converted to an integer, and the reason for this is, so if I use input function always takes in input from the user, but by default it's going to enter it as input it, take it in from the user as a string, right? And you can't do any calculations with a string. It's a different type of data type. We need an integer data type, so I'm just going to it's not weight I should be entering in there, it's height. Enter height in centimeters, so CENTIMETRES, something like that. I'm going to do colon, finish off my input. So we can see here that this is a string we're taking in, it's inside the quotes, and by default input is a string. So there's the input function, and what we want to do, like above here, we want to convert this or cast it to an integer immediately as soon as it's taken in. So basically we will ask the user for the height in centimeters. It will be taken in as a string, and then it will be converted to an integer right away. So that's basically the answer to number 2. And now we're going to get rid of this line. That's what you previously had. I'm going to save this up and run it and see if there's any difference. Enter weight. So again, number 2 here, 90, 180, and this is the output we should get. So 90, 180, and we get what we expect there, which is that unusual 27 point blah blah, nothing has been rounded.